I'm really worried that, like, how am I supposed to go and do anchoring? It's
I
my
think
first time.
no. Actually, I think it will be a wonderful event. First of all, and secondly, the challenges we are facing right now. It is pretty much
Because
very
you know
hard.
what? Generally I have a
Yes.
fear of public speaking.
Even I have that because this is my first time I'll be anchoring.
But we have to prove ourselves here.
And that is the thing of which I'm worried about because we will not be having any script. So let's see how it goes, how we can prepare ourselves for that.
Because we prepared this
Exactly.
event really hard and we did really hard work, right?
Apparently, yes. And first of all, the challenges we're facing right now. Okay, the first step is scavengers hunt, right? So scavengers hunt, there is a bit difficulty we are facing in creating all those topics and what kind of things we can do to improvise. And about the Pictionary, you'll be handling the Pictionary stuff, right?
Yeah, and let's see what we're gonna handle it because our team, our campaign
Yes.
worked really hard for that. Hopefully,
And we have been working very hard.
Exactly.
Yes.
Hopefully,
And all the members of our campaign group and I'm really proud to say that all these members have been doing pretty much everything and they are just
The
they're just
most
expressing
important thing is
exactly.
we have to stay after the college.
That is the best part because we'll get to it a lot of things.
Yeah.
That's a different story. So
Okay, so Silly Fiesta. This is the very first event of mine, and I am also organizing scavengers on this well. And I'm really excited because this is the first time I've been hosting an event without any script and all. So thank you, Sachin sir. If you were not there, I would be always be a paper or something, and I will then be hosting. So I'm really excited, and I hope all will like our event. And let's see what happens. Fingers crossed, and we'll see. I hope you rock it.
Our team organizing the event, the name is Silly Fiesta, and there are many volunteers are there, and I am one of them. And I'm so excited because I'm making the clues of scavenger hunts. Hope my clues will be rock.
Creative team of Silly Fiesta, we work really hard to make this event successful. We have created so many pamphlets and posters. We can really feel the energy to each and every student.
Make this poster and event successful, and we use different innovative ideas and different colors. So hope you guys like it.
So, are you guys excited?
Atmosphere is really electrifying right now, yeah. Students are really charged up. Wherever I'm going to check the students if they are practicing and rehearsing well or not. I mean, they are giving their heart out, and I'm really excited. I'm really charged up. Even they are charged up because it's their event. So let's see what we are doing on Wednesday.
And I just wanted to wake up to the sound of you breathing out. What made you pick up and break us? You left me by here, feeling your silence. Now I'm alone like a stone in the void I am passing through. And I'm the one standing by on the side and I'm whispering, you and me. Now I'm alone like a stone in the void I am passing through. Yeah, I am passing through. And I'm the one standing by on the side and I'm whispering, you and me.
So it's like Silly Fiesta is still going on, and the events which are happening, it's like Scavengers Hunt, Pictionary, then Kadam Razakar, Crafty Diwali. I participated in Scavengers Hunt and Pictionary. So Scavengers Hunt was the most amazing task that I have ever done. It was like so tiring as well as it was so much fun. And second was Pictionary. Pictionary, we had so much fun. It was like guessing the drawing. So it was like very interesting. We had mingled in many conversations and we had to brainstorm in all the events. So yeah, it is going well, and it's like all the faculties, all the teachers who all are there. They're like engaged in all these things. So yeah, it's going well. And I also took part in one of the video which is played there. So I was really excited. So it's Selfieista. It was like we all are engaged. So yeah, it's a very good event going on. So yeah, I hope the more events which are coming, we'll enjoy and have fun.
So I was part of Selfieista Fest. I took part in 2 events, the Scavenger's Hunt and the second, I didn't recognize the name, I forgot, right? So the Scavenger's Hunt was a game where it was majorly like a treasure hunt thing where there were 5 teams and we need to buckle up and hurry up and collect all the clues and the first to come and win. So though I wasn't a winner there, but I enjoyed a lot. Secondly, there was another event, I don't remember the name. It was an event of 2 teams. It was that there was a whiteboard, we need to draw the picture and recognize the picture and all. So that was also a good game. It was a new game for me. I enjoyed a lot. Overall the event was it was a good event. I enjoyed the event thoroughly and I was very happy about it. I hope that we'll be having these events more frequently in the future.
जो हमारा सेल्फिएस्टा इवेंट हुआ था हमने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से एंजॉय किया है। जो भी हमने परफॉर्मेंस दिए थे वो परफॉर्मेंस में भी हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया और जो हमें टास्क हमें दिए गए थे, जो टास्क हुए थे जैसे कि स्कैवेंजर हंट हुआ था, कदम नज़ाकत हुआ था, क्राफ्टी दिवाली हुआ था और पिक्शनरी आर्ट हुआ था। तो जो पार्टिसिपेंट थे जिन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था उन्होंने अपना बेस्ट दिया था, अपना 100% दिया था। और मैं ये दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि हर एक स्टूडेंट ने और हर स्टाफ मेंबर ने हमारा सेल्फिएस्टा जो इवेंट था वो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से एंजॉय किया है और मैं चाहता हूँ कि अगले साल भी हम उसी तरीके से या फिर उससे भी अच्छे तरीके से हम एंजॉय करें।
Okay. Thank you, Raja. Thank you, Jess, for the honest review about our fest. Thank you so much.
Okay, we have got 2 students here. I think I'm not sure what they're doing, and they missed the event. So let me check if they are aware about that. Hey dear, have you heard about Selfieista that we organized very recently?
Yes, I guess it was on 26th or 27th.
Yeah, it was on 27th. Yeah.
Yes, we heard about it.
Okay.
But our classes were online at that time, so we missed it.
Okay. Who told you about the event?
So the faculty members.
Huh?
Faculty, yeah, we heard it from faculty, right?
Faculty members told us about it on 28th.
Right. So what else do you know about the event?
Yeah, I got to know that there were, I guess, 3 or 4 games, and one of which was Scavenger Hunt.
Right.
And
it was really nice.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of the Scavenger Hunt games. Huh?
Okay.
I wish I was there.
Yeah.
All right.
So the next year I'll surely be there.
All right. Yeah. Anything from your side? Okay, done.
Yeah, we missed it. We are really disappointed for that. And next time, hoping for the best. Let's see.
Very disheartened that I missed the event called Selfieista, which was organized by the team marketing under the guidance of Mr. Sachin Verma, who is our mentor. So I really wish that I never miss such event further. And I heard that there were a lot of good and exciting games, which was scavenger hunts as well as Pictionary and the ramp, which I was willing to participate but couldn't. Unfortunately, or the other, I had to move out of the city. And I really wish that I don't miss such events further. Thank you so much.
Selfieista event that had happened on 27th October 2021. So the event, coming to the positive points, the event was well organized. Every information was passed a day before. I was very amazed by the enthusiasm of all the organizers. They did not leave any stone unturned to make the event a grand success. All the information was passed before. If I have to give some constructive criticism, I would definitely like to speak about 2-3 points. One is the time management. The even timing given was 11 a.m. but it started somewhere around 12:15, which should have been taken care of. Which, if there is a delay in the event that is happening, that should have been communicated. Then the second point is the number of participants for the Rangoli competition were very less. So that should have been taken care by the organizers.
But the only thing which I felt like the fashion show, it should have been coordinated a little bit well, wherein the badges which students have put in their on dresses could have been little bit visible and more bigger size. Also, what I felt like there should have been a corner where students should have spoken something about what they like and all that, or that something should have been given to the judges wherein they could judge it properly.
And